Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Thursday, September 28th. Time is around 7 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So here we are looking at the 4-hour chart, and my take on the NASDAQ is that we made a wave 3 high here, and that we are currently doing a wave 4. This wave 4 is unfolding as a WXY pattern. And so, for the moment, we the wave 4 can actually be finished. So we took out this wave W low, and then we are here in the scenario in red. It's actually my secondary scenario. So that would mean wave W as a WXY, wave X as an ABC, and then in case like our low is in here or our low is almost in, then this could be here in a ABC structure indicated in red. Wave 4 is in, and we can start a new impulse. So that's one scenario. The second one is actually my primary one, is that we see a bit more downside. Like I always like to go into this areas here. So this is the equal leg area. If we take the length of, I'm sorry, I need the FIB extension tool. If we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then we should go here into the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension. So from there, I would like to take a long position. But as you can see, we did not reach this area yet. So now there are two ways to get there, I think, or we further extend here, like as a wave C. So this would be like kind of what the Dow Jones and the DAX is doing right now. So this is something that could happen, but it looks like this here is ending this structure. Like we broke out this RSI trend line. It looks like we are forming an upward RSI trend line. So this might be ending, and if this is ending, then the path to go there could be as an A, B, C down like this. So I believe for the moment a lot of uncertainty in the markets, because like at the one hand corrections could be over, like every instrument now. So with that I mean like the DAX, the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ has this double corrective move. They all show this double corrective move. However, not every instrument reached the equal leg area. We are quite close, but not there yet. So we are somewhere in between now. And then if I look at the FTSE there, the problem is that we are also somewhere in between. Like we can go up, we can go down. Like both scenarios are equally valid. So, or we just wait for till we reach this area here, or if we start to go up from here, then something to watch is here the next move. How does it look like if we go up? Is it three waves? Then then I would favor here the ABC scenario. If we get 5 waves up, then then it would mean here that the correction was in A, B, C, and that we have our first impulse of a wave of the wave 5. So yeah, let's wait for a bit more data, and hopefully by tomorrow we will know more. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.